Gone are those days when you need to use your analog multimeter and conduct some tests to test a transistor. But today, with the development of digital electronics, we have seen a big revolution in the electronics industry, and that has also revolutionized the test and measurement department of electronics. And that's probably the reason why today testing a transistor is very simple, and it's so much fun to test a transistor. Today almost all digital multimeters, whether it can be a cheaper one or an expensive one, comes with the function of testing transistors, and also by that test you can able to determine the emitter, base and collector of the transistors. Now this testing is limited to BJTs, that is bipolar junction transistors of both the variants, that is PNP and NPN. So in this video, for the demonstration purpose, I have a transistor over here. As you can see, or you may not see, let me tell you that it's a BD140 transistor. This is the part number of it, and I'm going to show you how to find the HFE, that is the gain of the transistor, and also how to find the pins of the transistor. So for that, I've got this multimeter over here. This is my measuring device. This is the Mastec MS830L digital multimeter, and as I have explained you that this multimeter has the function of HFE, that is the gain of the transistor, and this can be found is for PNP and NPN. Now what to do before you start the test? So before you start the test, all you need to do is you need to tune your multimeter to the HFE. This is the attenuator switch, or this is your rotary switch, sorry for that, and you need to tune this to the HFE range. So for that, what you need to do is you need to tune this to HFE. It goes to the HFE range. As you can see, it's pointing towards HFE. Now what you need to do is you need to insert this transistor into these holes and see for a reading. So for that, let's start in this way, that the writing, that is BD140, let this be facing towards us, and start with this first three pins. Okay, so let's start with NPN. I know that it's a PNP transistor, but for instance, let's assume that this is a transistor. We just know the part number, and we don't know what's the type of the transistor, whether it's a PNP or NPN. So for that case, what we need to do is we need to start from the NPN part. Oops, here we go. It's getting a bit tricky. So here we go. I have inserted the transistor into the first three pin, and there is no change in the reading. Let's try for these three pins. See, it's showing that this one shows that this transistor is not of this type. So let's take it off and try with first three pins of it. Yep, here we go. We got the reading, and this reading is the gain of this transistor, that is HFE. Now this is connected in this fashion. So the first pin is your emitter, the middle pin is your collector, and the extreme right pin is your base. So this means if you take off the transistor, so this is your emitter, the middle pin is your collector, and this is your base for BD140 transistor. So see, it was really fun, and it was so much easy to find the gain of the transistor and to find the pins of the transistor. Now one thing that you should know, that I would like to say you, that once you get the reading of gain, that is C. Let's repeat the process once again. So see, we are getting the reading. So the reading is shown only when your transistor is good. So while you are testing a transistor with your digital multimeter, you are actually finding three things. The first thing, that your transistor is good. Because you are getting a reading, this means your transistor is good. This reading is the gain of the transistor, and the way how the orientation of the placement of the transistors in these holes gives you the pin configuration, that which pin is your emitter, base and collector. So this is the way how you need to test transistors. Hope you like this video. And yes, in case of any doubt, queries, suggestions, just feel free to post them in the comment section below. If you like this video and my efforts, please rate it with a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So that'll be all for now. And yes, my contact details are available in the description of this video, so you can really find them and use the convenient option to contact me for any specific query. So that will be all for now. Once again, this is Sriharan. Thanks for watching.